Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Webtech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to add a folder in Google Drive or how we can build up a new folder in Google Drive. So guys, let's start with the video. This is my Google Drive. I will show you from beginning so everyone can know easily, so understand easily. So here first log in with your Gmail account. Just log in with your Gmail account, and here uh, just click on this option and go to the drive. Then the drive account will be open with the same email ID. Now if you want to create new folder or if you want to add new folder in this drive, so you can guys click on next this tab which plus icon, and you can upload the folder from your device. Okay, if you click on this upload folder, so your browser will be open. Now you have to choose the folder from your computer. Just go where you have folder and just select the folder and just click and upload. So it will be upload here and you can see into this folder option. But if you want to create new folder in Google Drive only, so click on new and click on folder, and here you can create the new folder. Taste, I just create new folder, this name. Okay, just create, then folder will be created into, okay, this folder has been created. Just open it, and into this folder you can upload files. From here you can upload, you can create Google Docs, you can create Google Sheet, you can also upload the files like documents, Word file, Excel file in this into particular folder, and you can also upload folder from your computer in this particular folder. So just come back to my drive, and here you can see your all folder. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.